Hi folks, it's Rich here, novice noise maker for some out of tune, terrible playing. So, flames everywhere, look at the flames, flames on that neck. I did an unboxing of it, click up here. Oh no, there's no click up there. Have a look on my playlist, or just have a look for me. But anyway, this is the Harley Benton 25th. I'm a bit late to the party with these. They've been out for ages, but they've been hard to get hold of. Dilly-dally and you lose them. Block inside there, OMG, it is massive. It's one fat block. Roswell pickups in here, and this one is set up slightly better than the telly. No, it's not. It's actually still too high for me. Humbucker in the bridge. I've dropped the humbucker down slightly because it's super loud. I had to tighten up the old Chlorio at the back so I could tune it, otherwise it just kept lifting the bridge up to two-point bridge. And you've got locking tuners on these as well. 259, brand new. It comes with its very own 25th anniversary gig bag. Now, let's make sure there's no delay or anything on here, so you just get my very bad playing through my iPhone SE. Now it's just going to have to be out of tune, because my tuner is out of battery again. I've been using my phone to tune the guitar. I can't do it by ear because I'm not clever enough. Even though my ears are big. And the tuner I had off Tom, thank you Tom, is intermittent. Tone knob off. Number 4. Number 7. Number 10. Alright, not the best graduating. 12-inch radius neck. Next position. Middle. Position 4. It's a little baby Marshall behind my back. 15 watt MG15 on the clean channel. And the humbucker. So I've dropped that down lowish because it's loud, super loud that is. Some pedalage on. The tone knob for the bridge is here, which is good. We like that. Just a bit of vintage overdrive on. Bitey gnarly. parts, so 2 overdrives stacked together. Pedals off. What do you think to that? I think it sounds good. Now, the neck on this is about the smoothest neck I think I've ever felt on any guitar, apart from the TE-25th, its counterpart. That's unbelievably smooth. I mean, I've got roasted maple neck guitars and I've had plenty of them. That is otherworldly smooth. I'm really used to rolled edges these days because I'm a Chapman man. It's weird when you play a guitar that isn't. The frets on this one, they're not sharp. You just feel little bits on it. But yeah, it's strange when I'm so used to playing super rolled edged. Even my ML3 Pro and the Pro series in Chapman's are not as rolled as the standard series. Even that is nice. Yeah, let me know what you think to this, please.